West Ham boss David Moyes has revealed that he was proud of his players following their 2-1 defeat to Manchester City, but felt his defence should have done better with the winning goal. Nicolas Otamendi equalised shortly after the hour mark, but we've played against a really good side. Everybody knows it. And I thought for long periods we frustrated them. So I am disappointed we lost the goal, but you've got to remember we were playing an 18-year-old centre-half, Declan Rice, who did really well. If there was ever going to be a test for him, it was going to be this game today. But when you play the top teams, you are going to have to be able to do it for 90 minutes. Not 60, not 70, but 90, and we've got some other big teams coming up as well.